Again, very good morning to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone. So just a quick yes or no on whether I'm properly audible, visible to everyone. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Right? So, chalo sir. So again, this is the part 2 of the class of the 2022 shift 1 paper, right? So we have done, I guess, 15th or the 16th question. Yeah, this question was done. This is done, sir. This was done, right? So we will start from the next one, that is the 17th one. So it's a pure and simple partnership question. Not much of a difficulty. It's not a very big question, not a very complicated question, nothing of that sort. So let's see what is given. P and Q started with a business with this investment 8:5. Perfect. After 3 months, P withdrew 25%, Q added 20%. After 3 months, R again joined with 4 times the initial investment of Q and P left. At the end of the year, the profit of P is given. So what is the total profit? So it's a very basic type question, not very difficult, not very demanding, right? Chalo, sir, let's start, sir. So there are 3 persons, P, Q and R. So we will figure out directly the profit sharing ratio, or we'll try to at least figure out the profit share. So the initial 8 and 5 I know. But so there is this percentage thing going on, 25%, then 20%. So it's better now. You take 80 rupees and 50 rupees. 80 units and 50 units for that matter, because ultimately we'll figure out ratios. So I can take anything that I want with, like if I'm taking like 1 0, so both P and Q I must take. Okay. Now 3 months, after 3 months something has happened. Now the total, like the business ran for 1 year, so total business is of 12 months. But after 3 months, something has happened. That means, please understand, read between the lines. That means P withdrew 25% and Q added something. That means for the first 3 months, this was the money that was there. So I can simply say, sir, for P and Q, for the first 3 months, this was the money, 80 rupees and 50 rupees. Now, what happened 3 months after? P withdrew 25%, meaning, sir, 1/4. 1/4 of 80 is 20 rupees. So withdrew 20, so he is having 60 rupees now. And Q added 20%. 20% means, sir, 1/5. So Q added 1/5. So that means 150, 1/5 of 50 is 10 rupees. So it is also 60 rupees. Correct? Achha. R joined after the next 3 months, meaning after 6 months. Now please understand, after 6 months, R has joined with 4 times the initial investment of Q. So Q's initial investment was 50 rupees. So 4 times, that means 200 rupees. But this is for how many months? Total 1 year, 12 months business. So 3 months here and 3 months here, 6 months gone. So total 6 months remaining. So R's money was there for 6 months. Now, P left after 6 months. So meaning, sir, P's money, this 60 rupees was there for only 3 months. Why? Because totals are 6 months. So 3 months 80 rupees, 3 months this 60 rupees. So this is P's profit share. And so nothing about Q is given, sir. Nothing about Q is given means Q was there. Q has been there for the entire duration. So that means 3 months already this. So remaining 9 months Q had this particular thing. So this is the profit sharing ratio. Now we can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Again, so 3 can be cancelled, 3 and 3, 3 and this is 3, sir. This is 3 2s at this. Anything else? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Chalo, sir, 8 and 6, 14. Ratio, sir. This is 18 plus 5, sir, 23. Ratio, sir. This is 20 plus 2 into, एक सेकंड, ठीक है, या 20 into 2 sir, 40. Let's do. It looks very odd, but ठीक है, चलो क्या ही करें. ठीक है. Now P has got 3,500 rupees. So meaning this 14 parts का value is sir, 14 parts का value is sir 3,500 rupees. So they are asking total profit. Total profit will be how much sir? 40, like 14 and 23 sir. That is 37. 37 plus 40 is sir 77 parts. They are asking this much. So 3,500 into 14 into 77. अच्छा चलो सर 7 2s are this. इसी से करते सर 500. So अच्छा 2 means sir this is 20 like 250 sir. So 77 times 250 will be your answer. Now let's calculate this now sir. Sir 77 into 250 sir एक काम कर सकते हो sir 2 like 77 into or rather divided by 4 and into sir 250 into 4 because this gives you 1000 and ये sir निकल जाएगा. I don't think it will be a very big thing. So 19 4s are like 76, so 0.25 and there is 1000 meaning sir it will be gone. So 19,250 rupees I am getting. So option number 1. Option number A I am getting as my answer. Chalo, let's mark it. Yes, it was correct. So this is very simple, not very difficult like question at any cost. Like I won't believe if you tell me कि sir this was a difficult question. Now again I told you guys कि sir remember this 2020 shift 1 paper was very easy. Again you'll see as we go along the questions will be easier and easier and easier, like not much of difficulty. Sir, next I guess this is a like a couple of questions at least we'll be having. Let's see just 1, 2, the 3 questions we are having. So it's simple. Chalo, at least solve the entire thing. 3 equations have been given and they are saying equation 1 plus 2 is 3. Acha, theek hai. Acha, this has AB, this has C, AC. So again, I cannot solve equation 1 and 2 directly, whereas I can solve this equation number 3 because it's only numbers. So 2x square plus 7x. So this is 49 minus 13 is sir 36. Root over of that is 6 sir. Sir, it will be like we can do middle term with 4 plus 3. You see 4 into 3 is 6 into 2 12 and 7 is the 4 plus 3 thing. So like I in my batches I've shown you how to get this, how to write this x or the like the roots directly. So just think like this. Sir, 7x will come as plus 4x and plus 3x, correct? Or rather plus 4 and plus 3 only. I'm not writing x. Now just change the signs as I just told you and divide it by the coefficient here. So by 2 by 2. So these are the roots. So we will be getting sir minus 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Perfect sir, perfect. So these are the roots. Now they are saying now another key sir this equation 1 plus 2 gives you 3. Chalo, let's do it sir. So ax square, I'm just like adding both the equations. So ax square plus ax square will give you 2ax square plus bx plus 3x will give you b plus 3 into x. And this will give you sir 4 plus c. That is equal to sir this thing sir. So that is 2x square plus 7x. 2x square plus 7x plus 36. Correct? Now, please understand one thing. There are multiple ways to go. Now, you can say, we know the roots of this. So, from there, sum of roots, product of roots, I'll figure out the value of A, B, and C. Or the best way to go, sir, just compare, no, sir. Sir, coefficient of x square to the left hand side is 2a. Coefficient of x square to the right hand side is 2. So, I can simply conclude, sir, A must be equal to 1, sir. Correct? Now, what about B, sir? B plus 3 is equal to 7, sir. Coefficient of x we are comparing. So, B, can I say B plus 3 is equal to 7? So, B will be equal to 4. Similarly, sir, I can write C equal to 4 plus C is 36. So, C will be 32, sir. Badhiya. Now, let's solve these equations. Let us solve these equations because, acha, 1 second. First, let's just answer this. So, they are asking A plus B plus C. हाँ. आंसर तो नहीं आएगा. Have I made any error? 1 second रुक जाओ. अरे यार सॉरी 36 लिख दिया ना मैंने. सॉरी it is 6 ना, root over of 36. Sorry. So C plus 4 plus C is 6. So C is 2, sir. Extremely, sir. Now that is what I'm saying. How can that be? A plus B plus C. So 1 plus 4 plus 2, that is sir 7. Option E is the answer, sir. Option E is your answer, sir. Perfect. Now, as this is a set, we will like keep some information with us. Okay, what will be those informations? A, B and C for sure. So I'm just writing it. A is 1, B is 4, C is 2, sir. Okay, and also, sir, I don't think we'll be needing the roots, but still, let's keep it. Let us keep it, sir, for the contingency purpose. If something goes wrong, we might need it, sir. Okay. So roots of this equation, this third equation will be -2 comma -3/2. Just keep this with you. Rest of the things we can. अरे यार चलो ना. चलो now sir. Product of roots, yeah, this equation also will not need much, sir. They are asking the minus plus, so it will be 3, sir. Equation 3 ka product of the roots. So it's very simple, sir. 3 done. Correct, sir. It's very simple. But again, I'm just skeptical whether we'll be needing that in the last. Yeah, you see, they're asking square of like the smallest root of equation 2, meaning I need to figure out the equation of like the roots of equation 2. Now put the value of A, B, C. A is, sir, 1, that means it is x square plus 3x plus C is 2, sir. So again, sir, it's very simple. X will be, sir, -1 and -2 if you just solve it. Smallest root will be what? Now here many people make mistakes. So if minus is there, then the -2 is smallest. So -2, the square of that will be, sir, 4. Option C is your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple stuff, right? Or nahi hai? No. These 3 were the questions. So itna kuch preserve karna nahi tha. We didn't actually need to preserve all these things. So it was a very, very, very simple question. You see, 3 marks as a whole. 3 marks as a whole, sir. Just a second. I'm just waiting. Again, I hope it is absolutely clear. It is absolutely clear, makes complete sense to everyone. Chalo, sir. Again, sir, let's move on. Let us move on, sir, to the next question. Sir, the last set of DI, the third set of DI, sir. Acha. I don't think it will be very calculative. Let me say this. This is a very average set. If you ask me, most probably, you see, all the 3 sets were actually easy, not very difficult. None of the sets that was asked here was very difficult in this particular like exam, in this particular shift. But again, this is a little bit on the like kind of more easier side. In many exams like prelims का जो normal exams है उसमें भी आया हुआ है ऐसा type. Now what they have told, like shown you, average sale of window curtains and door curtains, average of window and door, and sale of window curtains as percentage of door curtains. Very simple, sir. Like let's go question by question because it doesn't make any sense to go like calculate everything. Take it. So B and D we need, and also A. Difference between sale of window curtains in store A, sir. Store A, first you see, if door curtains are 100%, then 60% is what? 60% is the sale of window curtains, that is given. Sale of window curtains as a percentage of door curtains. Now average in like shop A, sir, it is 140. You see 100 and 150 here. So 5 gaps, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So every gap is 10. So this is 140, sir. So average is 140, means total is 280, can I say? 140 into 2 because average is given. Now this 280 actually represents what, sir? This is 100% and this 60% total, meaning 160%. Now they are asking like what is the number of window curtains sold? Window curtains were 60%. So I need to figure out the value of 60%. So that will be 280 by sir 160 into sir 60. Chalo calculate 4 15s are this, 4 4s are this, 4 7s are this, 7 15s are 105. So that means number of window curtains sold is 105 sir in shop A. Sir ye to mil gaya. Now same thing we must do for the other two shops, that is sir B and D here. In this case that is B and D. Chalo B ke liye sir, B the total is sir 240. So average will be sir 480 sir. Now this represents what? Sir B 140% is window curtains. So 100% is door curtains, 140%. So total sir 240%. Everyone try to understand, 140% window, 100% door. So total 240. That represents 480. Meaning sir 1% is 2. Now I need window curtains, not door curtains. So 140% value I need, because 140% is window. So it will be sir 140 into 2 sir 280. So one thing I got is 280 sir for B. For D sir, D it is 190 sir. 190 times 2, because average is 190, so it will be sir 380. This 380, it is 90% is window curtains. So sir 100% is the door curtains. So totally sir 190%, sorry, 100 plus 90. 190% represents 380. So 1% represents 2. And 1% represents 2 means now window curtains was how much sir? 90%. So 90% represents sir 180. Now they are asking the difference between the averages. Now one is 280, another is 180. So 280 plus 180 divided by 2 sir. This is the average number of door curtains that was sold. गलत तो नहीं कर रहे हैं अच्छा एक सेकंड, देखो मैंने एक गलत कर दिया सर. इट इज डोर कर्टन्स वी नीड ना फॉर बी एंड डी. अरे तब तो इजी हो जाएगा कैलकुलेट सर. दैट मीन्स अगेन अ सिंपल मिस्टेक. आई हैड कैलकुलेटेड विंडो कर्टन्स ओनली, डोर कर्टन्स चाहिए सर. डी देन सर 100% का वैल्यू एक्चुअली वी नीड. 100% का वैल्यू विल बी व्हाट सर? 2, मीनिंग सर इट विल बी 200 सर. एंड ऑल्सो ओवर हियर it will not be 280. It will be sir. Sir, again, this is also 1% is 2. So 140% we don't need. We need 100%, sir. We will be needing 100%. So it will also be 200, sir. So 200 and 200 ka average is also 200, sir. Average is also 200, sir. Just because both the values are same. So it is 200. Now they are asking difference between this average and number of window curtains sold in shop A. So 200 and 105, the difference will be 95. Option E is the answer. Option E is your correct answer without a shadow of a doubt. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. Now again, everyone, is it clear? Absolutely, completely makes sense this. This I hope completely makes sense. Very simple questions. Very simple. चलो थोड़ा आगे बढ़े, एक आधा और क्वेश्चंस बना लेते हैं. Now, you see, these are not very difficult. 65% of the total curtains stored E. Acha, one simple advice I can give you guys. So we have figured out A, B, and D. Now still, here I don't have the data, but again keep those data. Like in the later questions, you might need it. Okay? Because at the end of the day, couple of questions, 3 questions, when you do, almost all the data you have calculated. So you will have more time to actually like do this. Okay? Sir, 60% of the total curtains sold from store E. At a store E, total curtains are 500 because average is 250. So 500 total curtains. Sir, the of blue color. So blue curtains will be 65% of 500. So 65 times 5 actually. Okay? So 300 and I guess 25. Because 60 into 5 sir 300, 5 5s are 25. Perfect. Now, out of which 1/5 are window. Sir, window blue curtains will be 1/5. 1/5 means sir 5 6 are this. Acha, 1/5 means we can do simply 65. वही तो आया sir. How many door curtains which are sold from E which are not blue, sir? Achha, how many blue door curtains were sold? Sir, you will say, sir, it is 325, 65 gone, sir. So it will be 260. Sorry, 270, sir. एक सेकेंड, हमने क्या गलत किया? 325, 25 gone, 40, 260, sir. Door curtains were 260. Blue colored door curtains. Now, how many total door curtains were sold, sir, from shop E, sir? Shop E, it is, sir, 25% are window curtains. If 100% is your door curtains. So, total is 125%, represents, sir, 500. That is times, so 1% is 4, sir. So, how many door curtains were sold? Sir, 400 door curtains were sold because 1% is 400% is 400. Out of that, 260 is blue. So, not blue color, sir, 140. 400 minus 260. So, which is your option number A? Which is most definitely your option number A. Very, very, very simple stuff once again. You see, not difficult, nothing. No rocket science, very, very simple stuff. Very, very simple stuff. Okay? चलो थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now these two questions you guys will be able to do. Let's move into our next question. Rupees 13,000 was invested 2 years scheme A compounding 10% per annum. So 2 years 10% compounding means 21%. We all know, like if you don't know, it comes using the AB theorem. Sir. 10 plus 10 into 10 into 10 by 100. A plus B into AB by 100. So this is 21%. Correct, sir? Now 13,000. Now what interest is earned on investing the amount obtained from scheme A again in the scheme for again 10% 2 years? Achha. Sir, what will be the amount obtained first time? Sir, 13,000. So interest will be the 13,000 into 21%, meaning by 100. 0000. So 30 ka 0 you keep. 13 and into 21. 13 2s are, sir, 260. 260 minus this will give you, sir, how much? अच्छा, minus क्यों मैं बोल रहा हूँ? Plus 13 2s are 260, like 13 into 20 plus 13, sir, 273, sir. 273 and a 0 at the end. So 2730 rupees is the interest. So 13,000 rupees, like for the second investment, for that purpose, it will become, the principal will become 13,000 plus the interest of 2730. So 15,730 rupees. Now you will invest that again 10%, 2 years means again 21%. So the final interest you will get is this, sir. थोड़ा calculate कर लो, sir. बाप रे. 1573 times 20, let's do. 3146, I guess. Plus, sir, 460, sir. Plus, sir, 1573 divided by 10. अच्छा. Very, very simple. एक छोटा सा काम करोगे. Sir, you see, you don't really need to do much here. Because unit digit is 3 and 3 plus 0 is 3. By 10 means my answer will end in something like this. My answer will end in something like this, sir, 0.3. Option में है, sir, only this option is ending with 0.3. So यही मेरा answer होना चाहिए. This is the smart approach. But again, if you are not very confident, नहीं sir, मेरे को देखना है sir, चलो एक बार कर लेते. But again, it will be your answer. This is 3, this is 13, this is 10, 0, this is a 32, 33, sir. So again, by 10 means there will be a decimal sign here. 3303.3, you see, this is your answer. So be a little smart. There you can save a few seconds. There you can most definitely save a few seconds. So option B is the correct answer. Option B once again is the correct answer. Perfect, sir. Perfect, everyone. So again we got one question. Again we got one very simple question based on the equations, the quadratic equations, not your regular cup of tea, a little bit. Sir, two equations have been given. Both A and B are positive integers and B is greater than A. Okay. Achha, I guess this is also set. There will be more questions. Haan, sir. 3 questions. 3 questions we got. Right? Chalo. Now, one of the roots of equation 2 is 2 by 3. Now, this is our ticket through because I can now take out the value of B. Why? because root is 2 by 3 means I can put y equal to 2 by 3 in this equation. So b into y square means 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9, sir, minus 8 into this will be 2 by 3, sir, plus 4 gives you 0, sir. B 4b by 9 actually it is equal to, you take this to this side, so it will become 16 by 3 by 12 by 3, so it becomes 4 by 3, sir. 3 3s are this, b 4, so b is equal to 3, sir. So first things first, ये equation अभी बहुत प्यारा है, sir. It is excuse me, minus 8y plus 4, sir. Correct, sir? Now, the ratio of the highest root of equation 1 to this is 7:4. Achha. Sir, let's figure out both the roots of this. Sir, how? Sir, 4 to the 6, 3 to the 6 and 2, sir, will give you 8. So, y value will be 6 and 2 divided by 3 divided by 3. So, 3 and 2 by 3, sir. 3 and 2 by 3 is this. 3 and 2 by 3. गलत नहीं किया ना? No, sir. No, sir. So now they are saying highest root of equation 1 and 2 is 7:4. 7:4 का वैल्यू है इक्वेशन नंबर 2. एक सेकेंड सर, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. 3 into 2 into 2, sir. 6 and 2 gives you 8 ना, 6 and 2 gives you 8, 6 is this. चलो ठीक है, क्या ही कर. So highest root of equation 2 is, sir, 3. That represents 4, sir. So what will be the value for the other equation or other root, sir? Highest root of equation 1. So equation 1 का highest root क्या होगा, sir? It will be, sir. So one part is 3 by 4 because 4 parts is 3, one part is 3 by 4, 7 parts is this. 21 by 4. But इतना बड़ा वैल्यू तो आना नहीं चाहिए, सर. I don't think we should get a value this big. Just a second, एक बार सोचने दो सर, एक बार सोचने दो. Am I making कुछ छोटा मोटा मिस्टेक, सर? हाँ, देखा, मैं पागल हूं ना, देखा, क्योंकि कुछ मल्टीपल वगैरह आना तो चाहिए. सर, मैंने 6 by 3 करके लिखा है 3. क्या बताए सर? Sorry. This is 2, sir. 4 parts is 2, meaning 1 part is half. So this is 7 by 2. Now this makes sense because 21 by that was very big because ये middle term ही नहीं होगा that. Sir, equation 1. Now again I know one root of the equation. So again if I put it, I will get the value of A. Chalo, let's do this, sir. Sir, 49A by 4. 7 by 2 I put. Minus 9, so this is 63 by 2. Plus 7 is 0. So 49A by 4 gives you, sir, 14 means, sir, yes, again 49 by 2, sir. 49 gone, this is gone, sir. A is coming out to be 2, sir. A is coming out to be 2, so that means the equation now looks, this equation now looks like 2x square minus 9x plus 7. Now again 7 plus 2 gives you 9. That means the roots for this equation x will be, sir, like 7 and 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So this will be, sir, 7 by 2 comma 1, sir. These are the roots of the first equation. Now second equation ka roots also we know. Now I can answer anything. I can now answer anything. Ratio smallest root of equation 1, that is, sir, 1. Ratio smallest root of 2, that is a 2 by 3. So this ratio becomes 3:2, sir. Option A is the answer. Option A most definitely your correct answer. Very simple stuff. Not difficult. Not difficult, sir. अच्छा, एक काम करते. A plus B का value they are asking, sir. They are asking us to like figure out the value of A plus B. ठीक है, I'm not erasing the stuff because ये गड़बड़ करेगा नहीं. Sir, A, B is this. A is 2. So total is 5, sir. एक line का questions because we have figured out the things. अच्छा, find the roots of this. अच्छा, Sir, A and B ka value only need, like we need from here. A2, B3, remember sir, because this is the last question of this set. So A is 2 sir, B is 3, that we have figured out long ago. Now A plus B whole square, that is 5 square, 25. Plus 3 times A times B. So 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18 sir. 18 plus 1 sir, 19x. So what will be this? 5, 5, 25, 2 and 3 sir. Correct sir? So again minus है ना sir, you see 25 minus 6 gives you directly sir 19. कुछ करना ही नहीं. So x का value क्या होगा sir? Now please understand, I need plus 19, meaning I'll do plus 25 then minus 6. That's how I get minus like plus 19. Now what I said, change the signs. Signs को change कर. Then divide by the coefficient of x square. So this is minus 1 comma 6 by 25. That's your answers. Minus 1 comma 6 by 25. Option number B is the answer. Option number B is your correct answer. As simple as it gets. This is as simple as it gets. Now we are here to our last question. I guess यही पहला दिन होगा जो इतना जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. When we invested a sum of money at this much percentage rate of interest for this many years. अरे 140% more than the sum invest. ये तो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन है. Sir, this is interest, sir. This is interest. Whatever value you put in these two places, because you see 10% per annum into 5 years. That means you will get what's a 10 into 5, 50% total interest. Total interest here it is given 140. So these two values, the sum, the multiplication should be equal to 140. Check the options. 35 into 4, yes sir, it gives you 140. 35 2s are 70, 72s are 140. 28 5, yes, ये तो template है 140 का. 25 into 6, no sir, this is 150, not 140. So my answer will be only 1 and 2. एक line का question था. This was a single liner question. Option number B, and you see this is done and dusted. Khatam sir. This is completely done sir. Again, this is completely done sir. You see nothing very difficult like which can give you a little trick, which can become a little tricky. Okay? So this is something that I wanted to discuss with all of you guys. ये बहुत ही simple है and not very difficult by not very difficult at all, right? That much we can understand. Now, before I go today, so just one quick thing I wanted to share with you guys, because again next week I'll come with the next the second shift and so on. So just a very quick thing. So there is this with Air 1. So the team has managed kind of collaborated, and there will be a 60-day study plan for RBI Grade B 2025 this year. So this event is supposed to happen on 21st of June at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So agendas, as you can see, like how to balance the phase 1 as well as phase 2, GAs, which is one of the most important and the trickiest parts, ESI and FM, and next 2 months planned Q&A sessions if you have your questions. So everything like you can ask. So I'll just remove my video to someplace else so that you guys can see this. Okay? So again, you will have Mr. Anil, so you can have a discussion 21st of June, like save the time and the date. So definitely you have to register to attend the session because seats are limited. You can we cannot accommodate everyone. So again, if you want to be in this live webinar, live event, so please feel free to. So the links to these things, this like how to register and all, that will be like there in the description section, and also you can go watch our website or the app to get more details. Okay, so this is completely free, no need to pay anything. So again, thank you so much to everyone for like joining, and I will then again see you guys most probably next week with the new session, with the new like another day, another shift. But again, and for the our paid students, again from Monday onwards, I'll see you guys. Tomorrow is off, so Monday से फिर से मुलाकात होगा. So again, thank you so much. Take care. I will see you guys. Bye bye.